In this video, we will see how to draw a quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Watch this video carefully and repeatedly if needed. It will help you solve exercise 4.1. Whenever 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, we will always start drawing with a diagonal, and that diagonal will draw with the help of a scale or ruler, and the 4 sides which are given will draw with the help of compass, what you call rounder. I've taken one example from your textbook exercise. A parallelogram mode, its 3 dimensions or measurements are given. If you draw the figure MORE, this is how it has to go in cyclic order. Always write the name or in cyclic order. Now OR is 6 centimeter. This is OR. So let me write here, this is 6 centimeter. RE is 4.5, this is RE, so this is 4.5 centimeter. Third dimension given is EO, which is equal to 7.5, so this is 7.5 centimeter, the diagonal. Now only 3 are given, but using the property of a parallelogram, we know that opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. So this is OR 6 centimeter, so EM also will be 6 centimeter. Similarly, ER 4.5, so its opposite side also is 4.5 centimeter. So this is how we use the property, and now we have 5 dimensions or 5 measurements given to us. To draw this, we will start with diagonal. So I am showing the rough figure here. First we will draw EO, which is 7.5. We'll draw it like this. So this part we'll draw first. Then from E, one side is ER, which is 4.5. So we will draw from E one side, which is 4.5. This side we will draw with the help of compass. Remember, this is 4.5. Somewhere here you will have your R. From O you have one more side, that is 6 centimeter. So from O you will draw one side 6 centimeter. But not with a scale, with the help of compass. This is a rough figure, remember. Similarly, the other side, other 2 sides which are not given, let's write there. What are the other 2 sides? OM. OM, which is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and EM, these 2 were not given. But using the property of a parallelogram, we know OM is 4.5, EM is 6 centimeter. So from E we will draw a 6 centimeter here. This will be somewhere M. EM 6 centimeter and OM is 4.5. So from O we will get M, which is 4.5. So this is how we are going to get our quadrilateral. Now let's see how to draw it. So first we will draw EO 7.5 centimeter with the help of a scale. So this is from here 7.5 to 0. Draw a straight line. This is your EO 7.5. Remember, you will draw in centimeter. E and O, don't forget to names, because you have to draw from E 2 more lines and from O also. So this is done. Now let's draw this one, ER 4.5 centimeter. So from E, one line goes 4.5 and the other one goes 6 centimeter. Similarly from O we have, so let's measure here 4.5. Take your compass and measure on your scale 4.5 centimeter, keeping at 0 and 4.5. Okay. From E we will draw, if you can refer this figure, from E you will draw 4.5 centimeter an arc, keeping a point at O. This radius is 4.5, draw an arc. Here one 4.5 and its opposite side is 4.5. So you can keep your compass here at O and draw one arc from O as well. Same radius, so that you don't have to change the radius of the compass. again and again. So which two sides we have drawn from E to R? This 4.5, this is somewhere here we will get our R. ER we have drawn 4.5, and we have also drawn OM, which is somewhere here you'll get your M as well. OM 4.5. So these three things we have already drawn. Now from O, we'll draw 6 centimeter. OR equals to 6 centimeter. OR. Similarly, EM 6 centimeter. So first, take a radius of 6 centimeter in your compass, keeping at 6 and 0 of your centimeter scale. Now, from O, we will draw one arc. Keep your compass point at O, draw an arc. Another arc will draw from E downwards. Okay, so EM is 6, OR is 6. Now with the help of your scale, this is your point R. Remember, where the two arcs meet, this is point R, and here the two arcs meet, this is your point M. When we join it with the help of scale, this is the two sides, the two opposite sides which are equal. The two sides are ER and OM. Now let's join from E to M. This is EM and this is OR. So MORE is your parallelogram. Don't forget to write the measures of the side. This you have drawn 4.5 centimeter. This also you have drawn 4.5 centimeter. And this side EM was 6 centimeter. This also was 6 centimeter. So this is how you construct a parallelogram whose two sides were given and one diagonal was given.